Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Word Origins 300. The word origin today is albeit. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. Albeit is a term that is often used to introduce a remark or fact that reduces the importance of what was just said, said previously to it. Sometimes the term is accused of being archaic, meaning a little bit of an old use, but is making a comeback and is now being used more often. It is rare to hear in everyday speech, but could be used by some eloquent speakers or somebody who tends to use more advanced vocabulary. So they would be the ones that you more likely would hear use it. Let's continue. In the present, meaning nowadays present, it could sometimes be substituted with despite it being, although it is, but, etc. Depending upon how it's used. The term derives directly from a Middle English expression in the 1300s. If you go back, Chaucer used it a lot. There's some examples in Shakespeare too. But, throughout history, of course, you hear it used quite a bit. So, of course, the phrase was albeit three separate words. And that was shortened to although, and that now you can also see where we got the origin of although, the word although from, having nearly the same meaning. It be that. So although it be that, which meant although it be that. So that's just the way we use it. All right, let's continue. Albeit tends to be used more as a conjunction in the middle of a sentence connecting a clause. Albeit should not be used with an independent clause. Well, independent means that, it's a sentence that could stand by itself. It usually follows an independent clause, so it usually comes after. So the first three examples that I give here kind of show that idea. Here's the first one. He is able to run around the track, albeit slowly. Okay, so obviously he is able to run around the track is an independent clause, albeit slowly. So even though it's slowly, or, that's what we would mean. Despite slowly, something like that. Number two, he passed the test, albeit by only 1 point. Although it is, although it was only 1 point, that's what we mean. So again, he passed the test would have been an independent clause. He is able to speak some French. Again, that would be an independent clause. Albeit poorly. He can speak it, but not very well. I guess just enough to be understood. All right. And now here's where a case, because sometimes students ask, can it be at the beginning of a sentence? Yeah, it can be if the independent clause follows it. So, albeit gradually, he is starting to make progress. You could say that. So, he is starting to make progress is the independent clause here. Okay, anyway. I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.